Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today we are checking out the newer 50-in-1 action camera accessory kit. So these are for GoPro Hero 7, 9, 8, Max, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pretty much all the GoPros. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can check it out on Amazon. This is the Amazon #1 bestseller. It runs about $24. $23.69 is what I got it for. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out. And if you want to click on that link, I am an Amazon associate, so I do get some kickbacks. Help out the channel if you want. So first off, it comes in this nice little case, little carry case. Yeah, this has got 25,000 reviews with a 4.5-star rating, so it seems pretty cool. And this just got a ton of stuff. So what I'm going to do basically is show you guys one at a time here. They're all individually wrapped. So it's got a little brochure, first of all, showing you everything that's in there, all 50 items, and a customer service little card. Okay, so is there like a little Ziploc bag for all of them? So basically I'm going to get 50 Ziploc bags out of the deal too. So here we go. We got a clamp. My goodness, it's got some grip on there. Alligator clamp. Okay. Score another Ziploc bag here. Inside there we have, okay, so GoPros have this little thing on the bottom with the rails that goes on there, so that's kind of like a universal GoPro mount. And these two little belts here, not sure what you would use that for. Maybe around the neck, around the arm. Doesn't look like it goes together, so I'll have to figure out where that goes. There's just so many. All right, so here is another one. Score another Ziploc bag. So this is, looks like kind of a universal. You had a bar or something, you could tighten it like that. There's another. It has another thing here where you can adjust it if you have. Okay, so you can screw this in there and adjust pretty much any angle you want this to come from. So just like that. So if you want to adjust it to the right or the left or up and down, it's got that. So, and that can go on the handlebars or a bar or something like that. So there's that. Score another Ziploc bag here. We have in the Ziploc bag more. Just got my money's worth out of the bags. Here we have a holder there with a lanyard. Maybe that goes on with. All right, here's another thing. This can clip into a clip-on that they give you for the GoPro. Another little mount that can be screwed down with the 3 prongs that meet the 2 there. My goodness, another screw to attach that. Here is another one. Not unlike the other one. Another clip-on. My goodness. Another one. My golly. There's a Ziploc bag. In the little Ziploc bag, another little Ziploc bag where we have, looks like some stick-ons and a little lanyard thing there. You can open that up yet. Here we have also was another clip. So that looks, quite a few of these are similar. In case you have some that break, you got backups. Let's move those over to our open pile there as it grows. Okay, here's another baggie. And in here we have a suction mount. Okay, so that one you could stick windshield, various places. It flexes almost 180 degrees here, and you also have one that goes up and down like that, so like a flat surface suction mount. Okay, here we have, okay, this is an arm mount right here, a wrist or something, and it's got dual Velcro, so it's got the big strap here, which is comfortable, and then this one will go around and lip through there and go back in place, so you got that as well. So that's pretty cool. And it's got a swiveling mount on here. All right, so we're getting there. Here we have an arm, so if you want to extend your thing, and that attaches with all those screws that we have. This is a 2 on this side. It's got 2 little prongs. There's a 3 on there. All right, so a couple bags of silica. Never have too many of that. Now we're breaking into the other part here. This is a lengthy unboxing here. Okay, so this is the head mount. Goes right on top there. This is a nice elastic, and that's interesting. It doesn't have Velcro. It's just kind of like a sticky, you see how it's shiny right there? It just kind of sticks together, and that band is on the whole thing. So that's kind of interesting. I've never seen that before. And it's also adjustable. So you have this sticky, try to get in the light there, that runs down the middle of there, and then just kind of presses on itself and holds, kind of like Velcro, but less of a hold, I would guess, so you can adjust it better. So that goes on the helmet, or the head, and has a little mount right there. That's cool. All right, we're there. I believe this is the chest mount, if I'm not mistaken. I'll just drop something there. More silica gel packet. Okay, so is this, I believe this is the chest mount, and you would pretty much just put this on like this. Wait a second, how would you put this on? Something like that. Some kind of, maybe this goes on the back. This would go behind you. It is adjustable anyways. You can put that on and use it like a chest, like a body cam almost, for like police or something. So there's that. All right. And here's a bag that has a ton of little mounts and sticky pads to go with them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 5 bases that the GoPro base sticks into, and little sticky pads for those. All right, here we have a childproof bag. This might give you some trouble here. No. Just a random piece of Velcro with a tab on there. I'm sure that goes somewhere. Not sure where. Okay, in here, there's a bag of these white little tab things and some silica gel in there. And it says, you know what? I have no clue what those are. I'll be honest right now. So, something. Let me see what the my reference, anti-fog sheets. I'm guessing that's what those are, anti-fog sheets. So I'm not sure if you use those to wipe off the lens or something like that, perhaps. Here we go, the most colorful object in the pack, I would have to say, for sure, if I can open it. There we go. And this is a little GoPro, it's kind of like a float, I think. And you can hold it like this and hold the GoPro on there, so it's a little bit more comfortable to hold. And I do believe it floats as well, so it can have a little, where's the little lanyard go on here? Somewhere, I believe the lanyard attaches, and then it has the screws right there as well, so that kind of mounts everywhere. So that's cool. Nice little handle to hold your GoPro, and I wonder if this bottom part unscrews or not. It doesn't appear to. Okay. We're getting there. A couple more. So here is a little tripod, and it's got little foam leggings, so you can pretty much bend it anywhere you want to, and it's going to stay there, so you could bend it around a branch or something, and it's going to hang onto that branch and take your picture for you. And it's got that little mount there, you can screw it on to hold the camera in place, so pretty cool. And here we have a little bag, and put some stuff in there, put your camera in there. It's got a little drawstring. That's pretty cool. Finally, we have a selfie stick, pretty much, and it expands. But also I'm noticing a little screw hole there in the bottom for a screw, so you could technically, I believe that'll go onto the tripod there, so you can turn this into, will it go on there? I thought it would. Yes, it does. Okay. So you can make yourself a nice little taller tripod, which comes in handy for a lot of different things. So that one is kind of loosey-goosey there. I guess maybe it's so tall up. I don't know how stable that would be. It seems, that's kind of weird. I don't know if that's supposed to be tighter or not. Maybe if I tighten this. Interesting. I wonder if I can make those tighter or not. Put this selfie stick down. So it doesn't appear that these can be tightened, so the top one is tighter, but not the bottom one. That's interesting. So I'm talking about this second, or the first one right there. It's got a little bit of play on there, so maybe you couldn't really put the selfie stick up there without that rolling around too much. It's pretty stiff, but the top one's definitely a lot stiffer, so I wonder if there's a way to adjust that or not. I don't think so. Anyways, I probably won't be using that too much. So that's it. That's the whole pack. That's the best deal I could find out there with as much stuff as it comes with on Amazon. Kind of a bargain there. Got my whole GoPro set up with 3 extra batteries and a GoPro Hero 7 Black for around $330, I think. So not bad. Thanks for watching this unboxing. Took a little while there, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care.